We're discussing about the campaign types. We have seen the shopping campaign, we have seen the website traffic, we have seen the brand awareness, the product awareness. So let us see the other two campaigns. So I log in into AdWords. This time I choose the campaign as the one to focus on impressions. So for that, brand awareness and reach. Yesterday we have seen the product and brand consideration. Brand awareness and reach means this is for mass publicity. This targets mass publicity mainly to create awareness in public. Most of the NGO and NPO, non-government organization, non-profit organization. This M is actually mu. Mu means 1000. Okay, but because we do not have symbol for mu, we write it as M. A display is counted only when at least 50% of the ad is coming on the user screen. Let's say someone has opened a web page where my ad is appearing, banner ad, but he has seen only 40% of my ad. He did not scroll down. He has only seen 40% of my ad. That is a free view. You will not be charged impression for it. Impression means view. So you will not be charged any impression for it because only 40% of that has come on the screen. At least 50% should come. Now whether the user clicks on it, whether he signs up, he does a purchase, he pays you, search engines are not bothered about it. When you choose a bidding option as CPM, cost per 1000 impressions. So this campaign is mainly used for publicity, and within this, some best example, like say some political party comes to you and tells you that you have to do digital marketing for them, then this is the campaign that you'll have to create for them. Political campaign, telecom company, save water, save electricity. Okay, so you might have got an idea what type of ads are preferable in this campaign. So when there is a message like say vote for Congress, vote for BJP, they want to display ads everywhere in the entire network of Google, targeting the young generation, the metro population. So there we don't expect a click on that. I just see a message that vote for BJP, that message is sufficient for me. I don't have to click on it. So just some awareness has to get created among the masses of the public. For them this campaign is suggested. So keep your surroundings clean. Clean India. Pay your income tax on time. There is a very powerful ad campaign that runs in the month of April. April, May, June, you will see that ITR campaigns are run heavily. They are all using the same campaign. Please file your ITR on time, otherwise pay penalty. That only message they have to pass. They don't want a visitor to come to their site also. So for every 1,000 views, you have to pay a fixed amount to the search engine, that is Google. So let us see how do we create it. Everything remains same, only the bidding option is different. So do you want to create it in the YouTube, or do you want to create it in the form of banner ads in other websites? The banner ads. Let's say my site is bjp.com. Okay, example. So location we already know. Language, I'll only go into the section where there is some difference. See here how many impressions I would get. So multiple ads can be created. Which ad is getting you the best performance? You want to continue to rotate those ads maximum or evenly distribute it, up to you. Now best performing ads in the sense, here the click will be considered. You can't force a person not to click, right? So a lot of people may even try to click on the ad. So those ads where maximum clicks are being received, for that you can have this default option. Otherwise evenly. If you click here, you will find the evenly option also. Okay. Ad schedule we know. Between what time you want the ads to run, which all devices you wish to display your ad, that also can be selected. Any specific devices. Okay. Type of devices. You can choose operating system. Show my ad only to Android users. If it is an app install, please install BJP campaign ad, or please install an app for BJP or for Congress. But they have created app only in Android. There is no iOS version. So no point in displaying ads to the people with iOS application. You can go with Android. So Wi-Fi. Do you want to display ads only for the Wi-Fi users, or you want to display particular telecom service provider like Vodafone, Idea, Airtel? Okay. See here, this is what is rival marketing. Imagine your client is Airtel and he says that please get me new customers. What will you do? You'll select everything apart from Airtel. So you must have already noticed it. I'm using Jio Mobile, but the ad there appears of migrate to Airtel, number portability to Airtel, welcome offer for you, first month free outgoing. This is a solid business for them. Okay, so that says that migrate from Jio to Airtel and you'll get 1 month free incoming outgoing. Incoming is anyway free, outgoing is also free, data is also free. So like that they are able to catch the competitors' customers in a legal way. Jio can also do it to Airtel, Airtel can do it to Jio. Like that Vodafone also. So you can choose the network where your ads have to come. And other way around also. Airtel wants to display ad only to his customers. Some new recharge plan has come, new year 2023. If you pay for 12 months, 2 months free. Okay, such kind of ads. Or otherwise, you are already an Airtel customer using mobile. Please migrate to the Dish TV antenna. That is your D2H. So you'll be getting television plus mobile recharge plus Wi-Fi. 3-in-1 device. He wants to show it only to the existing mobile users who are already using Airtel services. Now because you are experienced with the Airtel services, you may click on it and you may even subscribe to the plan. So very, very useful bidding option. Quickly note down. So set your daily budget. Let's say I'm ready to pay 1,000 rupees a day. Now this is what it is. Viewable impression. So I'm ready to pay 300 rupees for 1,000 people watching my ad. Okay. So here you can see the average estimation. So this is the ideal range. Okay. 81,000 to 2,60,000 people would see at this range. Click on next. I told you daily budget may cross the price what you have stated here. Sorry, I made a mistake there. It was not 30.5, 30.4. So on a daily basis, the budget may get crossed, but on a monthly basis, it will not cross 30.4. That means 30,400 rupees. Keep a note of it. If the daily budget is 1000, monthly budget automatically is 30,400, whether it is February month, whether it is January month, or whether it is your June month. Doesn't matter. Irrespective of the number of days in a month. Some days you might spend more, some days less. Keep a note of it. So this 30.4 is not just some random figure, it is the average number of days in a month. If you do 365 by 12. Alright, then I click on next. Here we said that we'll see how to upload images and all in the next campaign. Images, videos, all that can get added. Otherwise, this all you already know it. Click on next and finish. Clear? The next campaign type. App promotion, so meant only for mobile apps. Okay, drive downloads and grow engagement for your app. So that is going to get displayed only on mobiles and tablets. If it is an Android, it will be displayed only in Android apps. If it is an Android app, it will be displayed only in Android operating system. If it is an iOS app, it will be displayed only in iOS operating system. So I am targeting app install or app engagement or app pre-registration. What is the difference in this? App install means new users. App engagement means existing users. Example, Zomato. You have not used Zomato for a very long time, but you have already have this app in your mobile. So Zomato wants to wake you up. Come on, guy, please use my app. Only for you, 20% off today. Like that, ads will come. Exclusive offer for you, 50% off only today. Likewise, Uber. You haven't booked cab from Uber since long time. Suddenly you'll see that ads will start appearing of Uber. Exclusive offer for you, rupees 50 off on the ride. That is what is your app engagement, existing users. App install, new users. App pre-registration means before the app is even loaded in the mobile devices, it will get displayed everywhere stating that very soon this app is going to get boarded in Play Store. So let's go with app install, Android, and let's say my app is Uber. Let's say Uber Eats or say Swiggy. Okay, click on continue. So the app name is app promotion. Only on eligible devices. This is important. That means you will not find these ads in laptop, in desktop, only in tablets and mobiles. Eighty percent of the interface is common across all the campaigns. Only the bidding option will vary. Here, what will be the bidding option? Cost per install. If you are targeting the new users, cost per install would be your target. That is nothing but acquisition. Click on continue. Select the location, the language, okay. More settings, schedule, okay. This for the XML. Then what is your daily budget? So on an average, I can spend 1,000 rupees a day. Then what is that you want to focus? I want to focus on maximum installations. Okay, there's only option you have. So like that. I am ready to pay 50 rupees per installation. Click on next. Create that. Okay, this we already know it and we'll see for other campaign. Click on next. We'll have to add a conversion action. So code you need to place it in the app deployment page. So that is done by the programmers. Okay, we are going back to the same screen, so it is nothing but just click on finish. Okay, and the last type of campaign, local store visits. Okay, so this is not required for us. This is a general campaign. So local store visits and promotion. What is the purpose of this? So example here, clients are like Reliance Digital, Chroma and all. who give an opportunity for you to order online at the same time store visits. This only campaign type we have, that is Performance Max. So select the campaign, the platform, Performance Max, click on continue. Daily I can spend 500 rupees. My focus is on the conversion value, or you can even choose the return on ad spend. We know all these bidding options. Okay. In case you want to bid only for new people, not the people who have already purchased it, then you can choose this option. But advisable that old and new, everyone should be able to see my ad. Select the country, select the language, schedule, reporting, okay, as usual. Select the location, not country. It can be even area. What we created before was a dynamic search ad. That means we don't have to create ad at all. Automatically the ads would get created from the database. Here it is not like that. We have to create the ad. Give the ad group name. See, we have selected performance max. That's why your ad will get displayed in all these platforms. Write it down, then we'll create a sample ad. Alright, so in order to create ad, you require images, videos, everything, headlines and all. We have already seen. Let us quickly create one. Images. Let's say that I want to display an ad related to microwave. Taking couple of images. Okay, some couple of images we have got. So just click on plus images, upload. You can even take it from these areas, from any particular website or from social website. Okay, asset library means one which you have already used for other campaigns. Okay, we require an image with a particular aspect ratio. Anyway, the image is here. Like this, up to 20 images you can add. For now, only one image got added. This is the mobile view. This is the desktop view. Okay, how this ad would come in the Google search engine, how this ad would come in Gmail. Okay, how it would come in YouTube. We'll have to upload the videos and logos, everything. Let us do it. Logo. It should be a brand logo. I'm just taking microwave logo. This is the ratio that you require. Okay, this is how we use it. Maximum 5 logos, maximum 20 images, and 5 videos can be selected. Then with different combinations, the ads will get created for each of these platform. This is how the ad will look like. Okay, this is the display, this is the search engine, the discover, YouTube, okay, Gmail. All these extensions we already know it. Once all of the content is given for that, click on next, review the campaign. So these are all the type of campaigns that we have. I told you for lifelong you may only use single campaign, that is website traffic, and choose a search network. Whatever may be your business, this is more than sufficient. Rest everything is only fancy. But yes, your time you should be giving more on choosing the right keywords, optimum priced keywords, rather than exploring all these various other campaign types. Better is to dedicate the time for the right keyword selection and display ad only in the purely Google search engine, not even search partners. So whether it may be a store, you may be having an online shopping site, you may be having a general website, whatever it may be. Okay, we did not select the audience there. got to add more. Okay, we have just added one. You add it more, you won't get those errors. Now there is a dedicated campaign. Apart from all this, there's another campaign meant only for donation. Like one is the brand awareness. What we have discussed, that is NGO, NPO, non-government organization, non-profit organization, wherein you will have to pay money for marketing. But besides all that, Google has also launched another AdWords. It's another AdWords altogether called as Google Grants. Let me see if it is still there. For every country has launched it. For India, it is Google.in, Google India Grants. Yeah. So what it does is 10,000 US dollars would be given every month for free advertisement. You don't have to have a billing option at all. Google is going to pay you 10,000 US dollars every month. This money cannot be withdrawn. It's only for marketing purpose, only for advertisements. So you can promote free ads for orphanages, or you talk about old age homes, okay, or some health NGOs are there, animal welfare, save water, environment welfare. There are so many such NGO organizations are there. So if at all, now maybe this is not useful for you and me, but if at all you know any organization who are struggling for funds, maybe you can help them, you can recommend this. Rest everything is same. Here only one campaign type, that is brand awareness. Only one campaign would be visible after you log in. But to get this approval, you require proper documentation from government. The trust deed, the trust documents, section 1956, Act D, something like that would be there. So the eligibility would be shown here. Only search ads are applicable, okay? Only in Google search engine. If you go in FAQ, they'll tell you the list of the documents. Google.in grants is also there. Okay, eligibility. All these documents are required. Even free education ads are allowed. For all these countries, there's a non-profit organizations can have this 10,000 US dollars in credit. Fine. So dig more into it. The campaign settings interface is all same. Only thing is, this is only for purely non-profit purpose. And somewhere there should be a mention that 10,000 US dollar would be given. Yeah, 10,000 US dollars per month in such ads. Okay, this is an official site, so there's no doubt about this. So right now, Now let me tell you, there are a lot of foreigners who would see the ad and then donate. You must have already seen a lot of ads of medical emergencies requiring funds. Like one is from K, I don't remember the name, Milap, and there are so many are there. So they are all running that from Google Grants, and a lot of them are getting funds also. So especially foreigners, they get tax benefit. So they search in Google literally to find out which are all the organizations where funds would be required. So a lot of income you can, lot of donations you can expect from foreign firms. Okay, so that is it for today. Tomorrow we are going to see the report section. So once that the ads are running, how will you be able to monitor it? How do we pause? How do we edit? Then how do we add? If I want to add more ads to the existing ad, more varieties of ad, I want to change the bidding option. I want to see how many conversions have come. I want to see the most important quality score for that. I want to minus the keywords. I want to add the keywords. So all those things we'll be discussing, and then we'll be seeing how to run ads in Facebook, Instagram network. If you know how to run ads there, then Quora.com, Twitter.com is all very simple. So we'll just see the interface there also. So that is all. Any doubts or questions, you may use the chat window or the audio control.